Changing your phone number on Microsoft Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Microsoft Business website and sign into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate phone number settings. In the account settings menu, look for the option related to personal information or contact details. Click on it to access your current phone number settings. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find your existing phone number and select the option to edit or change it. Enter your new phone number and ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be successfully updated in your Microsoft Business account.